Want to remove your last name on Facebook? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to remove your last name on Facebook. It is really easy to do it. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on menu on the top right corner. Then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Go to see more in Account Center just above Tools and Resources. Tap on Profiles. Then again tap on your name. Then tap on the name option. Here you can see the first name, middle name and the last name. You can remove the last name but the system will not allow it. Instead, tap on Learn More just below. It will directly lead you to the Help Center. You can see various problems and its solution. Search for how to change your name on Facebook by scrolling down and tap on that. If scroll down a little, you will see fill in this form option right here. Click on that. What this option does is you can change your last name or keep the last name blank. It will just ask you for verification that you don't have any last name. For verification, you can just upload your government ID such as driver license, passport or any other document to prove the Facebook right here, along with your contact address. After that, hit the send button. The next option is to use a symbol as a last name which will be barely noticeable, like a dot, which I am using here. So this is it for the video. Hope this video was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.